Why, hello, everybody. Welcome to week 8 here in Fundamentals of Criminal Law. Before we get started talking about what we've got going on this week, I just wanted to mention that the first case review was due last week. There were about 4 or 5 of you, which is way too many, that didn't get the case review submitted. You've already lost 10 points on your case review. If it's not in by next Thursday night, you'll lose 10 more points, and you don't want to do that. Didn't get a chance to look at any of them yet. They weren't due until this morning, so hopefully I'll get some time next week. I've kind of got pushed behind a little bit on getting my research papers for correctional systems graded because of some issues with ShareStream, which have not been resolved, and I'm wondering why they hadn't called me yet. They were supposed to get with me this morning, but they haven't. But we'll get that fixed anyway. So let me get out of the way and we'll talk about some really important things we've got going on this week. This week we're going to be looking at Title 6 of the Penal Code on offenses against the family. So get your exam review ready and start working on it as you read the chapter in the Penal Code and watch the video presentation. Once you've got that done, make sure you take that quiz, make at least a 100 on it. Okay, you only have to make a 70 to move on, but you can take it again till you make a 100. The questions don't change. There's only 10 of them. And some of them are going to be on the exam. By the way, the exam is this week, so it will definitely help you in studying for the exam. You also need to complete your follow-up post to discussion number 7 and your original post to discussion number 8. Look at your scores on them. If you're not making a 100 on them, read the rubric and see what you're doing wrong. This is something that everybody should make 100 on. And again, the whole purpose of these discussions is to help you on the exams. Let you study together. I try to get students to study together. Now I'm kind of forcing students to study together. And the big thing about it is the grades improve by about 4 or 5 points on average. So I'm satisfied with the results. So let's kind of keep it up. And then lastly, this week, we do have to take exam number 2. The exam scores were pretty good last time. Let's keep it up. If you did well, do what you did last time. If you didn't do so well, spend a little more time studying. Remember that you can take all the answers that you've gotten from the discussion boards by looking at other people's answers, incorporate them into your exam review, make it a single exam review, take all the chapters and put them into one exam review, so when you open the digital version before you start the exam, you only have one document to search and not 4. And again, if they've got a different answer than yours, add it to yours. So your notes can be anything that you obtain from the videos, from reading the penal code, and from the information that you glean from other students. You can't take a copy of theirs and just open it, but you can take some of their individual answers and add them to yours. That's not only acceptable, but recommended. Also remember to complete the exam before you go back and review any answers, and only change an answer if you know the correct answer and that yours is wrong, because we have more students change answers from the right answer to the wrong answer than from the wrong answer to the right answer. Well, great. Y'all do great on the exam. Good luck, and I will talk to you again next week.